Imagine going 36 hours without food, and instead of shutting down, your organs start a full-blown emergency meeting. The stomach panics, the liver rolls up its sleeves, and your fat cells finally stop pretending they're useless. At first, everything's normal. Your last meal is still fueling you, glucose is flowing, insulin is busy stuffing sugar into your muscles, and your brain is happily sipping its favorite snack. But once that pipeline closes, your body looks around like, so who's paying the energy bill now? The liver steps up first, releasing glycogen, your emergency sugar savings account. But that tank empties fast. Around the 10-hour mark, insulin drops, and your fat cells finally open the vault. They release stored fat, your liver turns it into ketones, and suddenly your brain goes, hold on, this actually works. By 16 hours, you've switched operating systems. Smooth energy, calmer mood, less inflammation, your organs are loving the break. At 24 hours, autophagy kicks in. Your cells start deep cleaning, recycling junk, repairing damage, upgrading themselves quietly in the background. By 30 hours, growth hormone rises, protecting muscle and helping repair tissue. Your metabolism resets, your heart runs smoother, your gut finally rests, your brain gets cleaner fuel. At 36 hours, you're not starving, you're upgrading. Every organ is working in sync. This isn't punishment, it's your biology running at its best. If this helped you understand your body better, hit like. And if you want to know the one insulin habit almost everyone gets wrong, watch the next video.